How to find QR code in Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find QR code in Discord. Now, the QR code in Discord is mostly used for logging in into your account. So what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to log out if you're logged in into your Discord. So let's open up our Discord, and after you've opened up your Discord, just log out from your account. So while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So there we go. Now I am logged in into my account. Now to find the QR code, I'll just have to head over to user setting, scroll down all the way, and there you will see the logout button. Tap on logout and confirm the logout. After doing that, whenever you try to log in, you will see the QR code available. Now you can scan this using the Discord mobile app to log in instantly. So yeah, this is basically how you find the QR code in Discord, guys. It's not that hard. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.